Okay, I finally got my gripper and was able to connect this Arduino based gripper controller to this welding robot, which is now modified to be able to use this gripper. There's simply one custom part here and then one 3D printed custom part here, and then this kind of gripper which will work like this, so if something gets between here it will bend. It's really nice. And then there's some extra wiring made for it, and it will make to this go to this kind of custom box, which is yes, terrible, but I don't want to put these cables nicely or anything, because I will most likely continue its development. There will be some pressure sensor for another gripper, so I will probably add some pressure sensors here. Because the other gripper I have is this kind of that doesn't bend like this, so it's stiffer, so I have to have some sort of pressure sensing there. Then this cable is going to the Motoman's NX100 unit back here, and then front here. This one, there was something else connected to this, but I just used this because there I don't have that hardware, so I was able to use that wiring, whatever this V72 is. So when I turn it on, the first thing, when this Arduino thing here, when it will get electricity, it will first close the gripper. I have a switch, so it will look for home position. Yeah, so closes first, then I know the steps, how many steps I have to take to get it open. So let's turn it on. It gets power, and the gripper starts closing. Hit the switch, open, then it's ready. So the homing is done. Then wait for this. I have a program ready. We can try to take these, move one of these and drop it there somewhere in the floor, just to show that this works. When there's a signal coming from the I/O card of NX100, it will wait for the gripper to close, because the gripper will then activate another signal which will turn on one input signal to here, and then the program knows with a wait programming that it can continue its movement. So when it's does it, it will open the gripper if you want so, and then it will also acknowledge that with the same signal. You can just use it vice versa or something like that. So let's run one program. 0 power on. This is in a test mode. I can just press top 2 buttons to run it. It can be much faster than this. The relay sound was that acknowledge signal. That's what the robot was waiting for, and then it will drop it here, like so. And that's it. So the program was like this. I recorded a few points, and then that D out, that's the signal number 11. Turn it on, wait for number 14, move somewhere, and then just open the gripper. But that time I don't wait for it to be open, but I could.